Bye-bye. And thank you so much for the suggestion. Very beautiful. And very kind also. Sawadika. Bag 100. This one 200, 300 baht.
300, 147, no?
147. Do you remember? You
Yeah,
remember
yeah.
DIY? Reclining Buddha. So huge. My goodness. So guys, I dropped by here in a local fabric store and I met someone very beautiful.
Kinnery
manager.
Textile Center, Bangkok.
Oh, instead of renting or buying some Thai costume, with Ate's suggestion, we call it Ate in Philippines.
Okay.
Ate, the older sister in the Philippines. So Ate suggested that we are just going to buy some fabric and then do some kind of like this. Look at that. So I already have a Thai costume, a DIY do-it-yourself Thai costume, and then I just paid 147 baht for all of this fabric material. Say hi to my vlog, Sawadika, Sawadika, and some foreign friends here. From France. Oh, hello. Bye-bye. And thank you so much for the suggestion. Very beautiful and very kind also. Alright, I'm going to the market now, guys, so that I can buy some cheap t-shirt to match this kind of costume. See you again later. So guys, papunta na ako ngayon sa market nila. Bili ako ng cheap t-shirt para mag-match dito sa ano ko, sa attire ko, di ba? Sobrang ganda. Oh, sino mag-aakalang makaka-attire ako dito sa halagang 147 baht, no? So, ayun guys, feel pa din. Waiting ako dito, yan, o, di ba, nakasandal, so naka-attire tayo. Para tayong local for today's video, guys. Waiting tayo ngayon sa boat. Papunta naman tayo doon sa temple na may, reclining Buddha. Ito na sa loob ng boat ulit. At, Diyos ko, ayun, hindi ko na kaya sa taas. Sobrang init talaga. Sa baba ako. Yan, o. Sa baba tayo ngayon. Update ko kayo pag nakadaong na kami doon sa may N7. So guys, tuwa ko kay ate yung nasa loob ng ng Rajini Pier kasi nabigla siya na solo ako traveler. Kaya sabi niya, oh my God, how unhappy you are. Sabi niya, unhappy daw ako guys. Grabe naman siya maka-judge sa akin. Walkathon muna tayo. It's about 500 meters walking ang kailangan natin papunta doon sa reclining Buddha. Ayun guys. So, still walking. Like, mga 500 meters, half kilometer yung tilakad natin. Ito na siya. In front of you. There is the temple. And, ang dami pa din mga foreigner dito na nag-a-attire din. Yan o yung temple for the reclining Buddha. Oh, there is something here. Oh, the temple. So let's see, where can we get inside? Para kasing sarado dito sa may part na to, no? Oh, lapit ako mabangga, guys. Saan ba? Entrance. Ate from Thailand. Sawadika.
Sawadika.
Kapunta. Bag 100. This one 200, 300 baht.
300, 147, no?
147. Do you remember? You
Yeah,
remember DIY? Thank you so much. So guys, tinodo na natin yung outfit. Pumili tayo ng di ba? Ngayon, pupunta na tayo. Pasok na tayo doon sa may entrance, no? Okay. Apakainit sa Thailand. There, guys. Aray ko. Diba ang ganda? Okay, so this is the entrance for the reclining Buddha. Wow! And then yung reclining Buddha. So the ticket is 300 baht. Tama nga. Confirm is 300 baht. Are you on queue?
Are we on you?
No, no. Okay. So guys, let's buy ticket first, ha? Diba, tinodo natin yung bag natin, oh. Diba, kailangan pare-pareho talaga yung outfit natin ng bag at siya iba pa, no? Okay, okay. Tinignan nila yung attire ko, ga. Maganda ba or hindi? Or kapangitan sila. Pero nagsasmile naman sila. So baka maganda. Last 1,000 natin to. At least mauubos na kasi last day na ngayon, di ba? Wala na akong masyadong babayaran for today's video. So, it's exact amount. Oh, no exact amount. Hold on. Exact amount. I don't have exact amount, guys. So, I only have 1,000 baht. Good afternoon. I don't have exact amount.
Chen, you see, I Chen, how many tickets?
Only one. Okay.
I have
Okay,
money,
okay.
very much.
You are very rich.
Why not Chen?
So okay lang pala.
700.
Kapon ka. O, di ba? 700. Okay, may ticket na tayo, guys. We have ticket 300. Ang ganda talaga ng culture ng ng Thailand. They were able to preserve everything like mga ganito, guys, oh. Tingnan mo naman. Can you see that? Hello. Oh, it's very nice. Hoy, this is the TNT. Gong by Jong. It's showtime.
1848.
It's a gong. Pag sintonado ka, gong. Gong ka, gong. Okay, so we have the ticket. Oh, 20 person. Bakit? No? Ay, pwede mag-borrow ng mga eme-eme, guys. So, this is the entrance of the reclining Buddha. Sawadee ka.
Manny Pacquiao.
Yes! Filipino! You know! Very famous! Bakit ganun? Manny Pacquiao lagi yung inaano nila, no? Pag Pilipinas, Manny Pacquiao agad-agad. No? Okay, so ang daming mga ano dito, mga fam. What are they doing? Music pala. Oh. Okay, so this is the reclining. Ang laki pala niya talaga, guys. Kitang-kita ko, oh. Okay, so 300 baht. Kailangan sulit-sulitin natin yung ano natin dito kasi 300 baht. 'Di ba? Pero maganda, maganda yung ano, oh. Guys. Oh. Eto. Yan, guys, oh. Totoong ginto ata. Kumuha tayo ng mga strips. Pwede siguro, no? Ayan. Oh, do we need to pray? I'm not sure, pero let's see. Ay, sorry. Oh, so the local Thais are praying right now. Look at that, guys. And they have so many Buddhas. And they're like offering some incenso, ganyan, dito for the spirits, and they are like praying. Okay, so the entrance is here, I guess so. Okay, todo na natin para sa ekonomiya ng bansang Pilipinas. Oh my God, they are so nice. Hello, sawadee ka. So this is the entrance. Oh, we need to take off our shoes, put it green bag, and for free. I guess it's for free. Yan. So may green bag sila dito sa basket na to. So we can put the slippers inside the bag. Alright. I hope we can take this home, the green bag.
You like it? That color, huh?
I like the color green. So no hats. Hats are not allowed. Buti na lang hindi ko binili yung hat kanina na tag 300, guys. Hindi nila pala allowed. Diba? Wow! Look at that! It is so huge. So huge, guys. Oh. Reclining Buddha. That is so huge. My goodness. And apakalaki niya, guys. No? Parang siyang natutulog or nagpapahinga. She is relaxing like that. Some people are like praying while we are here. They're doing their prayers, guys. Oh. Pero may mga scaffoldings dito na parang ano siya, nakaka-distract sa beauty. No, ay, ano naman namang attire nila guys. Oh, see that? Wow! At the right side, we can see a lot of, what do you call that? Basta. Okay, so we can also get inside here to take more pictures and to have a closer encounter of the reclining Buddha. So we are going to be here. Excuse me. There she goes. There she goes, the reclining Buddha. Oh, and there's the, sorry. I'm so sorry. There's the feet. And there. Wow. It is just so amazing. And she's just like relaxing over there. I'm not sure if it's hollow or solid, but guys, ang laki niya. We'll get there so we can have a different perspective, different view over there. So guys, napakalaki lang talaga ng Buddha na yun. Napaka-huge niya, no? Makikita mo talaga na ang laki at ang ganda. This is another angle, another side of the Buddha. So I'll think I am going to have a picture. Okay, but I don't have someone to take a picture of me. I will ask favor from other people. Okay, wait a minute guys. So haggard na tayo for today's video guys. So, ayan. Ito naman yung back portion ng reclining Buddha. Ito siya, oh. Diba? Yung mga American tsaka Japanese, mamangha sila sa costume ko guys. Kasi, ayan, oh. Very good daw. Na shock sila no, pag sinasabi kong ano, binili ko to. I bought this. Oh, diba? DIY. For the DIY tayo guys. Okay, so, they're going to put some coins over here, but I don't have any coins. So, exit na muna tayo. Okay, so this is the back portion of the Buddha. There. Okay, so, so there's another Buddha here. One small one. It's a small one. Okay. And then it seems like an attire. There's another Buddha here. Yes. There's flowers and everything. So this is the back portion of the head. Yung likod naman ng ng ulo niya. Oh, ito siya. So huge. Huge guys. So ayun na nga guys. Natapos na tayong umikot at napagod ako. So guys, akala ko iuwi ko na yung yung green bag. Hindi pwede kasi makikita nila yung green bag inside. For the Sharon sana. Kaso nga lang, makikita nila. So we are going to return the bag. So guys, saksi kayo ha. Sinuli ko yung green bag ha. Baka sabihin inuwi ko yung green bag. Ayan, so we have proof. So at this portion, there's another like temples. Ayan, oh, the temple. Can you see the temple? Oh, there's a lot of it. Okay, yung 300 na entrance mo is sulit na naman kasi ang dami na drinking water here for free. I suppose it's free. So guys, let's continue our journey here at Wat Po. So there's a lot of temples here. Ito sa Wat Po guys. Sobrang dami, you know. Ayan. Diyan. Kita nyo ba? Magsasawa ka sa kakaano. Napaka-amazing ng mga structure talaga ng mga temples dito guys. That how can you imagine? They have this really beautiful arts na structure ng mga temples nila. At hindi basta-basta yung yung design, the colors. Hindi ko alam kung saan yung mga direction natin sa pagpunta. Saan tayo pupunta. Pero as you can see, there's a lot all over here. Hindi lang siya concentrated into one place, no? Kalat-kalat yung mga temples niya. So, reclining Buddha, may massage, first aid room, may toilet, and everything. Ayan. Ang mahirap na mag-solo travel, guys. Walang magpipicture sa akin. Ayan. So, Oh, so there's parang mas maliit na version. A smaller version over here compared doon sa kabila na marami siya. Ayan oh. Okay. So, so meron pa rin dito. As in talagang magsasawa ka sa mga temples nila na ang gaganda ng hugis. And there's another one here. Oh. Diba? So, okay. Baby. Okay, so there's another temple.
Would you like to have a guide?
What's in here? I'm not sure. Is this another temple? The same. Okay, parang ano lang siya, extension. Ito. Okay. Okay, this is the exit. Exit na pala siya, guys. Baka hindi tayo makapasok ulit, no? Can I go there? Can I go there and get back? They have some stamp. Thank you. So, nagpa-stamp ako, guys, kasi gusto ko ganyan-ganyan, no? Okay, so... What's in here? Oh. Excuse me. Ay, no. There's nothing here. So, ito lang yung entrance, guys. Exit na to. Ayoko, gusto ko bumabali pa. Picture pa ako, no? Sulitin ko yung 300 baht. Okay. Okay. So, let's get back here. Alright. So, parang school na siya or whatsoever. And then, we'll check here kung ano meron pa. Guys, if i-feature ko na lang yung buong lugar, no? Kasi, pagod ako sa kakasalita. Ayan. So, ano ko lang sa inyo, oh. Wow! Very nice. Okay. Okay, one more. Banda dito. Para feel naman natin yung isa pa. Bago natin i-end yung vlog na to. Kasi after this, I'll go back to the hostel na, freshen up, and then get ready. We'll get ready for the dinner cruise for tonight. So, nice. Oh, so nice, diba? Yeah, over here. There. And here. Nice view. Anong pinagkakaguluhan nyo dyan? So may tour guide sila, guys. May tour guide ta. Hindi natin maintindihan. Okay, yung sinasabi siya. May tour guide sila doon. Sana all, may tour guide. Yan, so. Yan, yung tour guide. Hindi ko diba? Maintindihan nyo ba? Pwede kaya tayo pumasok here? Let's get inside here. Oh! So nice! Oh! So nice! Okay. Oh, ang daming Buddha, guys! At may mga CCTV, hindi natin pwedeng nakawin, guys. Charot! Huwag na nakaw for today's video. Ay! I'm photo bomber. Sunod kayo ng sunod. May mga nagpa-pray dito. Sunod kayo ng sunod. Ay, there's another one here. Okay, para sa akin talaga to. Yan. Sorry, it's okay. Naputol siya, guys, for today's video. One more time. So, we will not enter. Okay, so what's in here? Oh, it's another temple. There's a lot of temple everywhere. Oh, so there's an ongoing prayer over here. Wait, I'm going to show you. There, it is a tall one, So the other one is reclining. This one is standing. So it's a tall one. Okay, so this is the back portion of parang yung pinakamalaking structure nila, guys. Okay, so let's see over here, the Buddha. Marami. Sobrang dami. Daming Buddha. There. Sawadika. Okay, so I'm so sorry. Okay. There. Okay, that's it for today, guys. For tonight, I'm going to have dinner cruise. See you again later, guys. Thank you for joining me on today's vlog in the Wat Phu site of the reclining Buddhas. I hope to see you again next time on my next vlog. Bye-bye, all the way here from Bangkok, Thailand. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, to my channel. See you again next time on the next one.